Hello viewers, welcome to this episode of your health-friendly program, Health is Wealth on MCCP TV, where we talk about various health conditions affecting the people in our society, and we also give information about possible prevention, management, and treatment options. So keep watching Health is Wealth, and remember to share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative videos. So in today's episode, we'll be talking about pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs. It affects either one or both lungs. The lungs are an essential part of our respiratory system, which helps to bring in air from the atmosphere and pass oxygen into the bloodstream. When the lungs are infected, it makes breathing very difficult and also limits the oxygen intake in the body. Many people in our society suffer from pneumonia. Anyone can actually get pneumonia, but it is more common among children and the people who are 65 years and above. Pneumonia is also seen in people with weakened immune system, in pregnant women, in HIV patients, people who are hospitalized, smokers, and people with certain health issues such as asthmatic patients. Some of the known symptoms of pneumonia include chest pain when you breathe or cough, fever, sweating and chills, shortness of breath, tiredness, loss of appetite, coughing that may produce mucus, headaches, and vomiting. So health is wealth is a must-watch for every household. Health is priceless, as you all know. So we need to invest in our health while we can. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Health is wealth.
Welcome back, viewers. According to a research study by the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, Nigeria happens to be one of the countries still battling with pneumonia and the country with the highest number of pneumonia-related deaths in the world. The risk factors and dangers involved in this underrated but life-threatening ailment calls for awareness and more awareness in order to equip the public with relevant information that would prevent death and casualties. One of these awareness programs is that which was organized by the Imo State Ministry of Health, led by the Honorable Commissioner Dr. Okoro Chukwubafe, who took to the streets with other stakeholders to spread the news. Let's take a look.
Health is wealth.
Welcome back, viewers. The World Pneumonia Awareness Program was established by the Stop Pneumonia Initiative in 2009 to raise awareness about the dangers of pneumonia and to advocate for global action to protect against it, to help prevent and effectively treat these deadly ailments. It is also important for you to know about the various causes of pneumonia. I'm sure some of us don't know. Pneumonia is caused by a number of infectious agents, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Bacteria such as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza type B. The viral causes include the rhinoviruses, the adenoviruses, the coronaviruses, amongst others. Fungi from soil and bird droppings can also cause pneumonia, especially in people with weakened immune system, such as Cryptococcus species of fungi. Pneumonia is highly contagious, that is to say, it can be easily transmitted from one person to another in droplets of fluid and airborne when people talk, cough, and sneeze, and also through contaminated foods and surfaces. This is known as community-acquired pneumonia. Some people get pneumonia during their stay in the hospital for other ailments. This is known as healthcare or hospital-acquired pneumonia. You may really not understand how serious this ailment is until you come across it or know someone who is suffering from it. And to help us understand about dangers of pneumonia and the benefits of awareness programs, we spoke to the Honorable Commissioner for Health, Imo State. Take a look.
Health is wealth.
Well, I'm Dr. Bati Okrochko, Commissioner for Health, Imo State. You know that every 12th of November every year, we increase awareness against pneumonia. And we know that pneumonia is an acute infection, it's transmissible. So 12th of November every month is set aside to increase the awareness because it is known that pneumonia can be prevented, and if it is discovered early, treatment can be effected and there won't be any morbidity or mortality that will be associated with it. One of the things that we've done is that we have vaccines that are in place for pneumonia, pneumococcal vaccines. That, in fact, government has also instituted it from the 14th week of life. Children are now vaccinated. It has also been incorporated into the routine immunization schedule. This is an aim to just reduce the impact that it will have. And also, because of this awareness that we are doing, it will also increase people's awareness so that once they have features that suggest pneumonia, they get to their health facilities early and treatment can be effected to prevent morbidity or death that may be associated with it if it is not treated. You know, with pneumonia, there are symptoms that are associated with pneumonia, and it's commonly caused by microorganisms. We have bacterial aspect, we have viral aspect, we have even fungal causing pneumonia. But the commonest is bacterial. So the major thing is that the person comes down with fever, comes down with cough, comes down with catarrh, comes down with difficulty in breathing. And when somebody has difficulty in breathing, you know that the oxygen level is reduced, and that can also lead to the person now having some other associated complications and even death. It's a transmissible disease, and commonly, most times when we have all this dust and all the rest of them, the effect increases because of the transmissibility of these microorganisms. So for those that have a reduced immunity, they stand higher chances of also getting the disease and even having severe diseases if it is not properly taken care of. Well, that is an adage that has been over time. Right from time immemorial, we know that health is wealth. And we advise, part of what we are doing today is to also advise people that health is wealth, that let us also take care of our health so that we can also remain worthy.
Health is wealth.
Welcome back, viewers. Now you know that pneumonia is a deadly ailment, but the good news is that it is curable and can be prevented through adequate vaccination. These vaccines are available to us in various health facilities in our community. So make sure you get vaccinated today. Also ensure your children are vaccinated against the influenza virus, whooping cough, among others. Also check in and get tested today. This is the most effective way to prevent pneumonia. Practice good personal hygiene, very important. Always wash your hands with soap and water or use alcohol-based sanitizers, and also keep surfaces clean and avoid crowded areas. Quit smoking today. Yes, smoking damages your lungs and makes you more susceptible to pneumonia attack. Keep your immune system strong by eating healthy diet. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Get enough rest and exercise daily. So here comes the end of today's episode. If you like the information we give you on this program, kindly like, drop a comment with us, and share this video to your friends. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified on our next video. For inquiries, adverts, and sponsorship, kindly contact us through our phone number displayed on the screen. Keep watching Health is Wealth. I am Witness Vito. Bye for now.